Hi, this founder of pot cooler, Prabhu. As a new invention is going on, this is a pot fridge under testing. See, outside temperature 39 and the room temperature is 30, and inside pot temperature 25.4, humidity is 36. I kept 2 weeks back some vegetable fruits. It's almost 2 weeks gone. Still is looking very fresh. It's natural, no harmful. Maybe few days is requirement all testing. It's come to market. Downside is water. One small water pump is there inside the bottom of water. It's all over spreading. 14-watt pump, and electricity bill be maybe monthly 15 rupees like that. 1.5 only. One timer is coming. Every 1 hour, 50 minutes is working. Automatically close.